guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a lock style takedown video. Today is actually Christmas, so I'm kind of going to rush through this video. I just want to take my hair down. I'm sick of it. I'm tired of it. These things have been, my hairstyle is cute, don't get me wrong, but they have been very annoying like throughout this process. Super cute. I will definitely be getting something like this again. I really enjoy having a lock bang, but in the way, very in the way. All week when I was at work, anytime I'm doing anything around the house or I'm at work, I just take my hair and I tie them back like this to get them out of my face because they're just in the way. So I have enjoyed my hairstyle. Super cute. It still kind of looks kind of fresh, not too fresh, but it still kind of looks really good to me. But I'm just tired of them. I'm very tired of them. And my hair is also itchy in the middle. And when you have a bun, very itchy in the middle. And I also have dermatitis, which is a type of eczema on my scalp. So my hair has been kind of getting a little bit flaky, and I've just been touching up with, flaky spots in my hair with this oil thing I use. But I'm ready to basically take care of my whole entire scalp. I don't want to keep on neglecting underneath my bun. So I'm just ready to take it down. Today is Christmas, which is Friday. And this Monday, which is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, in 3 days, will be 2 weeks since I've had my hair done. So I almost made it to the 2-week mark. Usually I like to keep my hair in for 2 weeks, but I can't make it because I just want to take my hair down. And I'm also super excited to see how curly my hair is because I have braids in, and whenever my hair is braided or 2-strand twist, my hair comes out super curly. I miss my hair, and I'm gonna miss this though, because this has been super cute. Like, usually I always feel pretty even with or without makeup, but this hairstyle has made me feel like very, very pretty without makeup. Like, even without makeup, this little dainty little bang in the front has just given me so much character. Like, it's just so pretty. So I really enjoyed these, and I'm definitely gonna be getting some more things in the future with bangs, but I'm ready to take it down. So I'm gonna start by taking out all these bobby pins that Courtney put inside of here. Usually Courtney sews up my my bun styles. She usually sews it up. I thought she was gonna sew this up, but she was like, no, I don't have to sew it up. It's not that big of a deal. Like, it's gonna be fine without sewing it. So she didn't sew it. But typically, if you are a client of Courtney's, because some of you guys are Courtney's clients, you know, she sews up our hairstyles, and I prefer it being sewed, but I didn't have any problem with it not being sewed up this time. She just used bobby pins, and that was it. I don't know, but usually she does sew them. I'm kind of glad when it comes down to the takedown. I'm happy she didn't sew it, because usually when I take down my hair, I have to get her to come help me and cut the thread. But since she didn't sew it, I don't have to deal with that. I'm doing a video on Christmas Day, guys. Dedication. Whew, that alone feels good. Not a lot of bobby pins in here. And I did call this video a 3-in-1 style when she originally did my hair, but I don't plan on wearing it in the 3 styles. The other style was basically to wear it in just the braids. Like, once I take down my bun, it's just braids, which I'm trying to see if I want to. No, I don't think so. I can just feel how my hair feels, and I know these braids are gonna come out so good. I don't really care to wear them in the cornrow style for a couple of days, because with my hair going up into a bun fresh out of being wet, my braids are very like stiff and like janky, you can see. So I know it's not gonna give me the look I want with just like, if I was to get my hair straightly cornrowed, it's not gonna give me the same vibe that I would wanna go for. So I'm just gonna take these braids down. Oh, also, if I look kind of funny, me and Courtney have on matching PJs today. So I have on my, let me show you guys. I have on my Christmas pajamas. So that's why I look like I don't have on like a cute outfit or a cute shirt. Like YouTubers usually put on something cute. Me and Courtney have on matching PJs today. So that's what I'm wearing all day for Christmas. So I'm gonna go in and start taking my scissors. I have these scissors I use to do my eyebrows and eyebrows on clients. And I'm just gonna go in and just use this to remove the rubber bands off the end of all my braids. last braid. Ooh, my scalp is so itchy. It's so itchy. Look at these curls. These curls are fire. Alrighty guys, so this is the end of my video. This is how my hair came out. Love this hair. It's my favorite hair of all time. Courtney always told me I don't get, I get like, what is it? I get boring with my styles because I always want to get the same styles. But this is why, because they give me this kind of realness. So I get to enjoy my locks all month instead of just for 2 weeks. And then I hate styles when I take down my style, my hair looks wonky. So I'm over my hair, if that makes any sense. But basically how I took down my bun and the braids were kind of janky and just like all over the place and I couldn't wear my hair like that. So I just took down the braids. I hate when I take down my styles and my hair looks like that, like looks like wonky. And that's why I don't get a lot of styles. That's why I kind of get repetitive styles, if that makes any sense. But anywho guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of my Christmas day. But I was just really sick of my hair. So I was like, you know what? Let me just record it real quick so y'all don't get mad at me. Cause I haven't been doing good with my lock style takedowns. I get lazy and I'm like, look, I want to take my hair out now. So it's like an awkward time for me to just record. So I don't do it. But today's Christmas and I was like, you know what? I'm not going to be lazy. I'm going to get the camera out and I'm going to record me taking my hair down. But I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my Christmas now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.